Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can open another view controller from the list view into the SwiftUI programming language. Okay, and this is the third part of this series. Okay, so if you did not watch my previous videos, then please click on the description and find out the links. Here you will find the tutorials which is related to this web series. So let's begin with the development and understand how you can open another view controller from the list view or table view. Okay, as in my previous video I have already told you about how you can create a list view. So here is the example of list view. If you did not watch, then please see into the description, you will find the link of these videos. Okay, so next tutorial, as I told you, I'm going to open the detail of this cell. Okay, so how we can do? First of all, I will create one new file called as, we can say, as per this tutorial I'm going to say that detail cell content view. Okay, now click on create and the file in front of you. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all I'm going to copy this part. Okay, copy and paste over here. Now I'm going to give the name as it is, copy paste over here. Okay, and this is, we can say, content previews. Okay, after that what you have to do, here you have to import Swift UI. Okay, so now you have your cells. Okay, now it will render properly and here you can see the list. Now what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to design a view where I need to show this image, title and the description. Okay, so I'm going to take HStack for that, and at the very first I'm going to take image, and over here I'm going to take data model, type of data list, demo list dot data. Okay, now over here what you have to do, you have to pass some data. Okay, and over here what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this content view, and over here view, and as you know, data model. So by default first I'm sending demo list dot demo data. By default I'm sending a empty. Okay, now over here what I'm going to take, first thing I'm going to take one image test. So here clip save, I'm going to give circle and dot resizable, or before that, before clips cell I will give dot resizable, and here I'm going to set frame, this will be like that. Okay, now we have to give, if you would like to give shadow with radius 10, and this will be like that. Now dot overlay, circle dot stroke, and in stroke I'm going to take line width, color, we can say color, sorry it's COLOR dot, we can say white, and here you can give the width. Okay, let's say it is 3. Now you can see the changes. If I'm going to if I increase this width and height, then you can see here it is the view. Okay, now the second thing I'm going to take title. Okay, so this will be text, type of title, and here I'm going to set data model dot title, and by default we can say NA, this will be below that. Okay, and how it will be, sorry, it will be like that, and this will be HStack, sorry V stack, because we are taking vertical. Now I'm going to set the property center, and font type we can say title, and here I'm going to set bold. Okay, if you would like to set from here, you can set like bold, heavy or whatever. Okay, it's up to you. And color, you can give the color whatever you would like to give to this text view. Okay, so second thing, now from here copy and same paste over here and give body, it will be dot regular. Okay, and it will be body. Okay, so after that I have to open this detail view controller from the content view click event. How I can link this model to the that controller? Okay, that is the main thing over here. So now I'm going to take navigation link, and in navigation link, first of all, destination type of detail controller content view. Okay, now here you can see it will ask for fixed data model, so I'm going to pass model over here. Okay, now and finally here, as we already create this demo row, and inside the demo row I'm going to pass model. Now we will see the output, how it looks like. Okay, I'm running this example. I will run it on iPhone 11 12 Pro Max. It's running, it may take some time. So here you can see this is our list. If I click on this list, then I should navigate to the next view controller. It's giving some error for the designing. Okay, so I will open my cell again and I will remove this from all the side. Okay, now again I will check and I will run the code. Now I am clicking and here you can see the detail is coming, and the animation also. Here you can see title 3 and title 3 is coming, and the image, as we have already static, so I took the static. So like that you can open one controller to the another controller in the SwiftUI. If you have any doubt into the complete video tutorial, then please comment into the comment box, and in next video I will upgrade this tutorial to the some other level. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find lots of videos tutorial into the SwiftUI storyboard, and here hundreds of videos which I have integrated with the quick trick for achieving our goals. So please subscribe and keep boosting your skills. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.